Apple plans to immediately introduce two-budget iPhone SE 2. The first details, smartphones will definitely please users at their price. Hotly anticipated by Apple fans, the more affordable iPhone 9 smartphone, also called the iPhone SE 2, is known to be delayed due to coronavirus and production disruptions. Previously, the company wanted to present it to the public on March 31st, but plans changed, and the announcement was postponed indefinitely. But now, a very curious detail was revealed in the recently leaked source code of iOS 14. It seems that there will be a second model, iPhone 9 Plus. The name, again, is hypothetical. It seems that the corporation wants to introduce several smartphones at once, which will fall into the budget segment. Previous rumors pointed to the starting price for the iPhone 9 at $400. iPhone SE started at the same time. There are no details about the iPhone 9 Plus model yet, but based on what is known about the iPhone 9, we can assume for the iPhone 9 Plus the design of the iPhone 8 Plus, including a 5.5-inch screen and the characteristics of the iPhone 11. If the price tag at the beginning of sales will be in the region of $400, the success of this gadget in the market is simply guaranteed. The company will delight fans with a compact smartphone design. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so as not to miss the most interesting. Recall that insiders have announced the release date of the flagship OnePlus 8. According to experts, the presentation will take place on April 15th, and the event itself will be held online. It's too early to talk about the price of the gadget. As reported, the YouTube service has changed the navigation. Now other key categories have appeared in the service, and video search can be carried out using new additional filters. The update will be available to everyone in the near future.